and welcome to our lipstick. So today I wanted to do a little bit of a different 4th of July look than I've done in the past. Generally I would do like blue on my lids and bright red lips, stuff like that, which I have done the past couple years, but I decided this year just to focus on the skin and make it a little bit glowy and nice and bronzy and more neutral, because not everyone loves to wear red lipstick, and I understand that. So yeah, I decided to do something more neutral this year. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're going to leave a mean or rude comment, go ahead and hit that unsubscribe and move it along. Otherwise, let's get on into it. Alright guys, so I already have my foundation on, but I don't have concealer or powder. So I'm going to go ahead and use the matte concealer today. This one I like to use for special occasions because I know how well it wears, and the fact that it's pretty much the most full coverage concealer you can find. I actually like it a lot better than Shape Tape. I feel like it has better coverage. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my under eyes and over my scar and my chin. Alright, and for powder today, I've really been loving this Paula's Choice skincare powder. It's called, it's Porcelain Fair Paula's Choice Resist Flawless Finish Powder. It's a really nice airbrush looking powder. It completely just brushes over the pores and makes you look poreless. So I love this. And again, I have the shade Porcelain Fair. I got this off of hautelook. Next up for this look, I really want to have nice glowy bronze skin. So what I'm going to use today, and I know it's an expensive product, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow palette. So I know this is a more expensive product, but I just love the tone of this bronzer and the effect that it gives my face. It just makes me look so healthy. It's really great for pale skin tones all the way up to medium skin tones. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this pretty much all over my face just to make me look nice and glowy. For blush today, I wanted to use a nice affordable glowy blush after having used such an expensive bronzer. This is the CoverGirl Cheekers blush in the shade Pretty Peach. It's such a gorgeous peach shade with a little bit of gold reflect to it. And then for highlight, I'm going to use my current favorite, which is the Pixie Glowy Gossamer Duo in Delicate Dew. I actually use the pink one in here. It's most flattering for my skin tone. So I'm going to pop that on my cheekbones. Oh, it's just such a pretty natural looking highlight, but still a little bit metallic-y looking. But it doesn't show up on the skin like you have a stark powder right on your face. So for eyes, I'm going to keep it relatively simple today because I really wanted the focus to be the glowy and dewy looking face with the bronze. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some browns and go ahead and go in my crease. This is the Wet n Wild palette that's a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to go ahead and pop some of these browns in my crease, and then I'm going to put a little bit of this Infallible Paint Metallic in the shade Rose Gold on the lid. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply lashes and mascara and my brows, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so that's everything on my face now. I have my eyes done. I just did, like I said, with the browns from the Wet n Wild palette and then the rose gold on the lid. Just kept it very neutral and subtle. Just pop my brows on with my favorite e.l.f. brow pencil, and these are my absolute favorite lashes. I wear them all the time. They are the Lily lashes in the style Luxe. They're very bold lashes, but they fit so well to my eyes, and I really love the drama to them, especially for special occasions like 4th of July. It's a lot of fun to wear fun eyelashes, I think. So yeah, let's move on to the lips. So I decided this year, because every year I've pretty much done a red lip. I am red lipstick, for God's sake. But I know not everyone likes red lips and doesn't feel comfortable wearing red lips. So I decided to do a subtle lip this year and focus just on the skin and stuff. So we are going to go ahead and apply the shade Ophelia from Kat Von D. But we're going to do a little bit of a lip topper and apply this AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss over the top. It's just a really pretty shimmery lip gloss that I think would be really nice for the 4th of July. Alright, so this is what Ophelia looks like, and it's still drying down, but as you can see, it's just a really nice neutral kind of peachy brown nude lip. You could totally leave your lips at this and just do the neutral and it would be a totally gorgeous look. But we're going to add the diamond gloss on top now. So I'm just just gonna go ahead and add this to the center of my lips and kind of push my lips together. And what I like about this is it's a really subtle, like, glittery metallic. It doesn't look like you have like bright metallic lips. It's just a nice little sheen with a little bit of sparkle in it. It's really, really pretty. So yeah, this is the entire 4th of July glowy skin for pale skinned people look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.